Ooh.
Damn, kids, how you make this one?
I don't know. It just came to me. Every time she's gone, I get creative in a time zone. I don't understand, I'm on my own. I said, look, man, what's going on? Every time I turn around, there's a lyric coming up, there's a feeling coming up. Make me understand what's up. I'm missing you, and I know I
Damn, kids, how you make this one?
to be blue just because of you. Every time I'm all alone, I say to myself, it's like not happening again. But then again, here we are in the same place now. Watch, that's how it goes. Make a promise, then you break a promise. That's how it goes. I've been missing you. Yeah.
Damn, kids, how you make this one?
I could say it's true, but I don't wanna admit to you. Don't want you to know you know too much already. When you move, the wind blows. It's not the same. It's impact like a hurricane, but it's impact just so insane. Don't understand how you affect the weather, and better it's me. You move like
Damn, kids, how
a
you make this one?
hurricane too. I love you and I miss you so, but that's okay. We can go to the corner store, get a little drink, and then there's no more worrying about you and me. We're back on game 3. We're back on game 3. I've been missing you. I'm missing you. Sometimes don't wanna admit it. Just get it. I know it's like a crime. Hard to admit. Harder to quit, harder to admit, but harder to quit. I've seen you.
Damn, kids, how you make this one?
You. You know it's true. I be missing you all the time, all the